Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got another unboxing for you. This is another lot of keychains. I kind of pre-opened it. I haven't pulled anything out, but I kind of pre-opened it because I tried filming this once, and the way the person put the shipping label on it was basically using it as the tape, so it was kind of funky. But anyways, I've got it open. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. This lot actually has some pretty cool stuff in it. You can see it's all kind of in there. Let's see, first, oh, they're all tied together. Isn't that cool? Great. Let's see, how am I gonna do this? So, since they're all looped together, let's see, we got a little bus tag. I assume that for a kid that you'd write their information on it. We got this little transit type bus, and it says SCCOE bus driver. It doesn't have anything on the back. We've got power systems. I think that's, yeah, Cat diesel power. This little Bluebird clip, which is also a magnet. Let's see, what else do we got? We got this little Thomas Ford Rider keychain. It's got, I think that's a remnants of a bus number, maybe. So that's one I don't have. What's this? Another mid-bus keychain. I do have that one. A Carpenter keychain with a Board S series for some reason, and it says Boyce Sullivan Inc. Honor, Michigan, Portage, Michigan, Williamston, Michigan, and I don't know if that's a bus number, or that might just be something on there, I don't know. This is why I bought the lot right here, this Wayne Wheeled Vehicles, why am I blanking on the name of this bus? Anyway, it's basically like the one that I have already. It just says Wayne Wheeled Vehicles on the back, but I did not have one with the Lifestar. I don't know why I was blanking on that, but anyways, so Lifestar keychain. I might switch that to 45's keychain just because it says Wayne Wheeled Vehicles, and why not, but I haven't decided. Let's see, showed you the Carpenter one. Got this little telephone keychain. I don't remember that being in the lot, but it might be an extra. I don't think that says anything bus related on it. I don't know, but there's the telephone keychain. Then we've got this little orange one that has a little bus on it. And it says OCSBDA Driving Trainer Institute. Let's see, what is this? This little keychain here is Thomas. It says Thomas. It says safety liner. What does it say? Safety liner what? It just says safety liner. So Thomas safety liner. Little, let's see, what does this do? Is it a, I don't know what that is. Some kind of keychain. I don't know. Let's see, is that it, or is there more? Let me look at these. I really don't like how these are all tied onto one big thing. I guess I could have just undone that, but I did not realize that was there. Oh, here's this. It's got world's best school bus driver on it. I showed you the Cat, showed you the mid bus, showed you the Thomas. I think that's it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I know this video was kind of awkward. Here's the Bluebird clip again. So that's pretty cool. Just a magnet clip with the Bluebird logo on it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. And yeah.